welcome back to another episode on Onyx Food Hill. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious and yummy snack, which is peanut butter cookies. So first of all, I'm going to bring in butter to the bowl. Into the bowl, I'm going to be adding salted butter. So make sure your butter is at room temperature. This is about 3 tablespoons of salted butter. Next, I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of peanut butter. I've shown a video on how to make this, so you can check this out. Okay, once I've combined the peanut butter and butter together, I'm going to mix this using a hand mixer. This has become creamy and fluffy. I'm going to be cracking 1 egg into this. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to combine all the dry ingredients into the same bowl. First of all, I'm adding in half cup of sugar. I'm using granulated sugar. You can use brown sugar as well. Next, I'm going to be combining flour. This is 1.5 cup with 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm just going to sieve this into the mixture. Once I have mixed this by hand, I'm going to use the hand mixer to mix this again. Once all the ingredients are well combined, just like this, I'm just going to use a spatula to bring everything together and form a paste, a thick paste with this. Okay, just make sure you don't overwork the dough. So now we are going to start rolling this. I'm just going to use a foil paper. You can use your regular parchment paper. This is what I have at hand and is what I'm going to use. I'm just going to line the baking tray with this. I'm just going to grease the foil paper to make it easy for the cookies to flip once it's baked. You can just skip this. If you have a parchment paper, there's no need for this. Okay, I'm going to start rolling the dough into a nice ball. So I'm going to scoop just this quantity. A little is better at a time. Just a tablespoon of this. The size depends on you. So I'm going to mold everything like this, then roll it into a nice ball like this with my hand. Once I have a nice ball rolled out like this, I'm going to press it down with my hand, okay, just like this, to flatten it. The reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want much cracks while this is baking. I'm going to line it up on the baking tray. I'm going to do the second one now. Fetch small, about a tablespoon, then mold it with your hand, then roll it out into a nice ball like this, then press with your hand to prevent it from cracking while this is baking, okay, to save a lot of time. Just make sure you space each of the balls so they don't end up crowded, okay. Doing this again for the third time. Okay, so next I'm going to use a fork to give this a harsh cross mark like this. You can use a fork to press this down to create a line, maybe about 4 lines like this. Then do it the other way around. Depending on the pattern or shapes you want. So I'm just going to continue it like this. Now we are going to place this in the oven. First of all, you're going to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Alright guys, I just brought this out of the oven. I baked this for 15 minutes on low heat. At some point I had to bring down the heat so that they come out brown. So they are nicely browned like this. I'm going to leave this to dry and also to cool down for 10 minutes on a wire rack to dry completely. Okay guys, this has cooled down completely on the wire rack. Now just take a look at this. This is really amazing. This came out well and it's strong. Okay guys, this was how to make peanut butter cookies. I hope you try this at home. Let me know what you think about peanut butter cookies. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye.